Hello beautiful family, like always, thank you so much for clicking my video, and in today's video I am back with another wig show and tell. Today's wig show and tell is brought to you by Outre. If you are interested in this wig, I'll be sure to leave a website link below in the description box that you could purchase from. A lot of y'all already know, Outre wigs already come neatly packaged. The wig that I have today is Outre Lace Front Wig Perfect Hairline 13x6 in the style Jaina and the color 3DR Cherry Ombre. This wig comes in 11 beautiful colors to choose from. Right here is a close-up of the inside cap construction. This wig comes with a 13x6 lace frontal parting space. Behind the frontal there are two combs with another comb in the nape area and adjustable straps. This wig comes with an adjustable elastic band for an extra secure fit. As for the wig, it is made on a ventilated cap, so that's really good so your hair can breathe underneath. As for the lace is HD transparent lace. The hair texture feels like a soft, silky texture. This is how the 3DR Cherry Ombre color looks straight out of the package. Right here is a close-up on how the hairline comes. They did a great job pre-plucking the hairline, and they also added baby hairs to the hairline as well for extra styling. With this wig, I'm going to do a middle part, and I'm going to use my Indus hot comb. The temperature setting I have it on is number 10. And I'm just going to smooth out the parting space, making it nice and flat, making sure it's laying in that direction that I parted it. And I'm going to smooth out the hairline. And when I use the hot comb, I don't bring the hot comb all the way through. I don't want it to mess up the curls. The baby hairs that came on the wig, I am plucking all of them out. I'm using tweezers to pluck them out, and at some parts I use my fingers, but when I pull the strands out with my fingers, I try to pull out no more than 2 to 3 strands. Another way you could wear the hairline of this wig is after you pull out all those baby hairs, they did a great job with the plucking. Like, you could wear it like this and just stop right here. But I would like it plucked just a little more. So I'm going to use my tweezers and I hold the hair back. And lucky for us, Outre did most of the work. So this is going to be a easy pluck. I just take my tweezers and I start plucking in some random sections where I feel like could use a little bit more plucking. I try not to touch the beginning of the hairline too much because it already have a nice fade. So the parts that's really dark, I'm just going to take the tweezers, grab and pull, grab and pull. And while doing this, you have to picture the hairline. Like, you can't just keep plucking like a maniac and you're not present where you plucking. So just stay focused and take your time. What's the rush? And do your thing. And one thing that's good about these wigs, they make good beginner-friendly learning wigs. So if you want to learn how to pluck better too, these wigs definitely come in clutch, so you don't have to pluck on a expensive $600, $200 wig. So after I'm all done plucking one side of the wig on my lap, I put it back on my mannequin head stand and comb out the shedding hair with a wide tooth comb. After that, I use the Indus hot comb again and I smooth out the hairline. This just helps show me how much of the hairline I plucked and if I have to go back in. But it looked like I don't have to go back in. I could just go straight to the next side after that. Right here's my end results after plucking the hairline. And just a heads up, I didn't pluck the whole hairline because I'm doing a middle part. I thought it would be okay to just pluck more towards by the forehead and the temples. Next, I use my pink shears and I'm just going to cut right along the hairline, taking my time, cutting off that extra lace. Underneath the wig, I am using my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 360. I apply some of this powder underneath the lace and I only apply to the spots to be showing, so that is the parting space and hairline. In the nape area, I hook the adjustable straps, but close but not too close. When putting the wig on, I make sure the adjustable elastic band is nice and comfortable in my nape area. Then I throw the wig back and adjust the frontal part to where I would like it before my hairline. After having the wig on, I was like, hold on, this color is a vibe. I was very impressed. I actually thought the red part of the coloring was going to be lighter. I was shocked it was red straight out the package. I was like, what? I thought it was going to be orange. I think I saw a review and I assumed it was going to be orange. But I'm going to use my Ruby Kisses cream foundation and dab both of the shades on the brush, or actually I would say slide the brush instead of dab the brush. And I just wipe the rest of the product on top of the lace hairline. Here I'm using the Wig Dealer melting spray, and I'm just going to take some of this spray and spray one layer of this on top of the lace from the air tab to, I would say, towards my temple. After I spray the spray on top of the lace, I use the blow dryer and I have it on the warm setting. This was the amount of shedding hair I got all together, and to me, that is on the low side. Okay, gorgeous. Right here is my end result, and I must say this color combo is cute. Check me out right here. I think I had a text message at the time, and I was checking it, minding my business, looking cute. This color is different. I like different. So right here is pretty much my end result, and like I said, the color is cute. I love how the color fades into the next color. There's no harsh line of demarcation. As for a luster, this wig do come with a shine, but it's not too shiny in my opinion. But if you do have a problem with the shine, you can always go in and dim it down with dry shampoo. Once you get the lace to match your skin tone, it blends in really nicely with the skin. With this color combo, I am glad the parting space is deep. The deeper the parting space, the more realistic a wig looks to me. And I do believe this wig comes in one size only. My head circumference is 22 inches and it fits me really nice. I didn't get any tangles and shedding was on the low side. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below and I'll get back to them as soon as possible. Thank you so much for taking time to watch and I'll see you guys in the next video. Later, you guys.